1 medium onion, yellow or red, 1/2 cup raw honey, organic and unprocessed if possible. Optional. 1. 2 cloves of garlic or a pinch of grated ginger for added antimicrobial benefits. Instructions. Prepare the onion. Peel and thinly slice the onion into rings. Layer the ingredients. In a clean glass jar, alternate layers of onion slices and honey. Make sure the honey completely covers each layer of onion. Optional additions. If using garlic or ginger, add a small amount between the layers. Let it steep. Cover the jar and let it sit for 6-8 hours or overnight at room temperature. The onion will release its juices, creating a syrup. Strain and store. Strain the mixture into a clean jar or bottle. Store in the refrigerator for up to 1